People probably want to work from home and make money online by working a few hours each day, but not more than 2 or 3 hours at a time though. The internet is a great way to make money, but some people don't want to work for it. There are many videos on YouTube that say you can make a lot of money without doing anything. People make money if they sell something or offer a service. When you write articles, you can make money from home. Many of you may have heard that some of your friends make a lot of money writing articles or web content for a living. It's true that if you can write well and type quickly, you can easily make $1,000 a month. The types of jobs that people who can type quickly and accurately can do before we talk about this. 3 main groups: transcription, data entry, and general office work. There are 3 main types of work. As a general rule, transcription pays more than other jobs because it requires more accuracy and attention to detail than just speed. There is no need to go to a specific place to enter data as long as there is an internet connection there. This type of work is called general office work. It includes things like making copies or faxing things. This is when a company sends a lot of data, like invoices or receipts, that needs to be put into a database or spreadsheet. This can be done with software or on paper, depending on what kind of project you're working on. There are 2 ways to get paid for data entry. You can get paid for each assignment you do, or you can get paid for each hour you work. It's the easiest way to make money with your typing. There are people who work in the transcription field who have to listen to audio files and documents on transcription software, then write them down. If you work for a company that pays for transcription by the hour or by the project, your pay will be different. As part of the general office work that people do from home, they also proofread other people's writing or company documents. A lot of the time, this company only hires writers on a contract, not as full-time employees. It's possible to sign up for jobs on a lot of different websites, and you can also sell your own written work. Here are the 10 places that are most likely to help you market your service. The top 10 places to make money by typing online. Number 1. Fiverr.com. Fiverr is one of the world's most important marketplaces for people who want to do work for money. Here, you can sell almost anything. It's possible to make a lot of money on this site if you're good at writing. You only need to set up an account. You can then post your service and the price you want. For quick results, you can also put your gig up on Craigslist. Number 2. Freelancer.com. For people who want to make money writing, Freelancer is another great place to do it. To start, you need to set up an account here. Then, you can bid on any project and get the job. But it's important to have a good rating in order to get any job in this country. There are a lot of ways to improve your rating on Freelancer, but what should you do before you bid on a job? When you bid on projects on Freelancer, it's important to make sure that your proposal is clear, concise, and correct. This will help you stand out from the rest. The cover letter should be part of your proposal. This is your chance to talk about why you're the best person for the job. Make sure that your proposal is well written and free of mistakes before you send it to the company. Mistakes and typos will show that you aren't very good at your job, which could cost you the project. Number 3. Indeed. If you want to look for jobs on the internet, Indeed is one of the best places to start. If you need to type, you can look for jobs here, and you can also look for jobs in your area. To get a job that is full-time, use Indeed. To start, you need to set up an account and send in your resume. When an employer likes your profile, you can get in touch with them and work out the details. Number 4. Upwork. Upwork.com is a great place to work as a content writer from home. If you know how to write content, this is one of the best jobs for you. Like Fiverr, here, you don't have to make a gig and wait for a long time. You just have to search for projects and then bid on them. You can do a few things to make it more likely that you will get jobs at Upwork. It's important to make sure your profile is complete and up to date. One of the things you can do in addition, you should list all of your skills and experience and any awards or accolades you have been given. As well, bid on projects that you can do well. This is another important thing to do. Don't bid on projects that you can't do because you won't get chosen for them, and it will hurt your chances of getting chosen for future projects. Number 5. Airtasker. Airtasker is an Australia-based freelance job posting and hiring platform where you can get paid to write content or type. You can also get paid to work there. You first need to sign up as a tasker, and then you can apply for copywriting jobs that are on the site. There are 2 ways you can make money through Airtasker, and both of them work. As a first step, do what you're hired to do. You'll be paid for each task you finish. In the second way, you can become a tasker and post tasks that you want done. You can then ask for them to be done. Hire someone to do the job for you and pay them. Number 6. Guru. Guru Incorporation is a place where people can work from home and make money. Use this to write the content for a lot of different websites and make money at the same time. To start a job, you need to set up an account. Once you open your account, you can apply for a job and work. Number 7. People per hour. Using People per hour, you can work as a freelancer and make money when you finish a job. People per hour is based in the United Kingdom. It was started in 2007, and since then, it has helped a lot of different people. You can make an account here and show off your skills. Hourly or project by project, people who want your help can hire you. Number 8. LinkedIn networking site. LinkedIn is based in the United States. It is a great place for both employers and job seekers to find each other. LinkedIn is mostly used for professional networking, but we can use it to make money by writing website content, ads, or promotional articles. It can be a good tool for people who are looking for work because it lets you connect with people who might be employers and coworkers. This is what you need to do. You need to know what you're going to write. People who type can make money. I hope this article will help you make money. Number 9. Flex Jobs. It's another good place to work from home. Flex Jobs is also good. You have to sign in to find jobs. Once you get the job you want, you can start applying for it right away. Number 10. Facebook. Even though Facebook is a social network, you can get typing jobs with it. Look for big job groups and join them. Many employers put their job requirements on a lot of Facebook groups. This is how it works. It's all you have to do is look for and apply what you find. I think you should join the online typing group to stay up to date on typing and make money from it. In the end, these are the top 10 places where you can make money by writing a document or an article. Here, you can find a lot of different typing jobs. Most of them are very simple to do, and you can do them quickly. You only need to be able to type quickly and accurately.